in order to work into these tuck levers like this and into the German hang, and to be able to bring your legs up and wrap your legs through your arms, you're going to have to work on a few other things first. You can go to my full body fundamentals video, and that's a really good place to start. But there's a couple things in that video that I don't cover that I'm going to show you right now that you can do. So it's two things really. The first one you're going to want to work on is the hanging knees to chest, and it looks like this. Okay, so a lot of stuff starts there. You may have just a hard time hanging, and you might need to just start by hanging on the bar and build up from there. And then once you get used to hanging, just bring your knees up into your chest just once or twice and hold it. Don't try for reps yet, because to go from hanging the knees to chest, there might be some swinging and you have to have even body control there. So you're probably better off just learning how to hang first, and then bringing your knees up into your chest or towards your chest and just holding that, and then getting used to that. And then once you can get used to that, hold yourself steady with your knees up into your chest, then start doing reps. Here's a second progression. This is a second progression you can use to work towards toes to bar. In my full body fundamentals video, toes to bar is one of the fundamental moves. It's a bridge. It serves as a bridge and a transition to a lot of other advanced moves, like these tuck levers I'm doing, and full levers eventually too. Okay, so here's the second one. Okay, so that's the second progression. You start with hanging, you go to hanging knees to chest. Once you can do hanging knees to chest well, you do the hanging leg raises with your knees straight, and you bring your legs up so you're in the shape of an L, or your legs are about parallel to the ground. Okay? And then once you get that down, you can start to bring your legs all the way up and start doing toes to bar. Once you can do toes to bar, you can start to work on tuck levers. Alright, those are the progressions. That's how it's done. Stay consistent, keep doing it, make sure you take rest in between, stagger your training and your workouts properly, and eventually you'll be able to do it too. Also, to work on the German hang, you can do this stretch and spend a lot of time in this position and work on this. That stretch combined with the hanging knees to the chest, the leg raises, getting into the toes to bar, that is going to really help you bring your legs through, do the tuck levers, and progress even further beyond that.